Hello, Sonoma and Marin County. Kevin Condon with KC Home Services. Today I'm here just to share a little bit of gratitude. Here you can see some reviews I put together to show the community exactly what everyone else thinks. This is just a quick example of what some of your neighbors and the friendly people in our community think about KC Home Services. Feel free to explore our reviews yourself. On all review platforms, we maintain a wonderful 5-star reputation. KC Home Services, plumbing, heating, and cooling.